Chinese health officials defended their investigation of source of the COVID-19 virus and reacted sharply to World Health Organization on Saturday after its leader said Beijing should have shared genetic information earlier. Shen Hongbing, director of the China Center for Disease Control and Prevention, said the WHO's comments were offensive and disrespectful. He accused the WHO of trying to defame China and said it should avoid helping others politicize COVID-19. As a responsible country and scientists, we have always actively shared research results with scientists from around the world, Shen said at a press conference. The origins of COVID-19 are still debated and are the focus of fierce political debate. Many scientists believe the virus passed from animals to humans at a market in Wuhan, but the city is also home to laboratories, including China's largest virus collection facility. This made suggestions that COVID-19 may have leaked from someone. The ruling Communist Party sought to deflect criticism its handling of epidemic by spreading uncertainty about the origins epidemic. Officials repeated their anti-US sentiment. Conspiracy theories that the virus was created by Washington and smuggled into China. The government also says the virus may have entered China by mail or food shipments, although scientists abroad have seen no evidence to support this. Chinese authorities withheld information about the 2019 Wuhan outbreak and punished a doctor who warned others about the new disease. The ruling party reversed course in early 2020 and closed access to major cities and most international travel to contain the disease. Washington, D.C., March 31. Kim Vu holds 2-year-old daughter in her arms with COVID-19 self-test kits while watching a program on mobile phone outside the People's Congregational United Church of Christ in D.C. Ward 4. LeeThe Washington Post via the genetic material quoted by WHO's Tedros was recently uploaded to a global database, but was collected in 2020 in a Wuhan market where wildlife is sold. The scientists say the samples showed DNA from raccoon dogs was mixed with the virus. They say this adds evidence to the hypothesis that COVID-19 came from animals, not a laboratory, but does not resolve the question of where it started. They say the virus may have also spread from humans to raccoon dogs. The information was removed from the database by Chinese authorities after foreign scientists asked the CDC, but was copied by a French expert and shared with researchers outside of China. Zhou Lei, a CDC researcher working in Wuhan, said that Chinese scientists share all the data we have and adhere to the principles of openness, objectivity, and transparency. Shen said the scientists were investigating the possibility of a lab leak and shared our research and data completely without any concealment or reservations. Shen said that the source of COVID-19 has not yet been found, but that it has taken years to identify the AIDS virus and its origin is still unclear. Some forces figures who encourage and participate in politicizing traceability issue try to defame China should not assume that the scientific community around world will be blinded by inept manipulations of their vision, Shen said.